Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable ring for repeated calls when do not disturb is on in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. Okay, click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see below the do not disturb. Okay, you all have to do is click the do not disturb. And okay guys, here and do not disturb, okay, you can enable the do not disturb, okay, by switching the button. Okay guys, if the do not disturb is on, okay, you can enable the ring for repeated calls. Okay, if you turn on this, okay, a second call from the same number with 3 minutes will not be silent. Okay, you only have to do to enable this is click the switch button on the right side to enable the ring for repeated calls. So okay, to disable, okay, you have to do is click again and the ring for repeated calls was disabled. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.